In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up a cold call campaign in Pipedrive. The goal of this workflow is to quickly work through a clean calling list, contact each lead, and log a follow-up so nothing slips through the cracks. To keep things organized, you will start by filtering for leads that do not yet have any activity. That way, you are focusing your time on people who have not been contacted or scheduled. Begin by looking at the left sidebar in Pipedrive and clicking Leads. This takes you to the area where your incoming prospects and lead records live. Once you are there, switch to the list view so you can scan and work through leads efficiently. To do that, click the list icon. You should now see all leads displayed in a simple, scrollable list, which is ideal for a call campaign. Next, you will narrow the list to only the leads that are ready for a first touch. Click Add Filter, then choose Custom Filter. In the filter settings, set the condition so that activity is none. This is an important step because it removes leads that already have a call, meeting, or task logged, and it helps prevent duplicates and wasted effort. After you apply the filter, your list should shrink to only those leads with no recorded activity. Now you are ready to start calling. On the top lead in the list, click the phone icon. This is the action that kicks off your call from within the lead record. As you make the call, stay consistent with your process, because the real value comes from clean tracking. Right after the call, click Log Activity and set a follow-up task. Even if you do not reach the person, logging the activity keeps your pipeline accurate and gives you a clear next action. Choose a realistic due date and time for the follow-up so it fits your daily schedule, and add a short note if needed so you remember what happened on the call. When that is done, click the next lead arrow to move forward and continue through the filtered list. Repeat the same pattern. Call, log the activity, set the follow-up, and move to the next lead. This creates a simple, repeatable cold call campaign that is easy to manage and easy to measure, that covers everything you need to know.